Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Essentials course. In the previous lesson, we finished the Sales Pipeline Management module. This lesson, we will learn the Order Management module. The Order Management module can be seen as an extension of the Sales Pipeline module. Due to the extensive content involved in the sales pipeline, I have separated the Order Management as a standalone module. Order Management includes searching and managing orders, products, contracts, invoices, and payments. I will provide a detailed introduction to the content that may be involved in order management in CRM. Opportunity. An opportunity refers to a potential sales opportunity or customer demand, which may be a demand proposed by the customer or a potential sales opportunity derived from market research. Quote: when creating an opportunity, the sales team typically generates a quote, which includes detailed information, pricing, and terms for the products or services. Order. Once the customer accepts the quote, they may generate an order to confirm their willingness to purchase the products or services. Contract. After confirming the order, it may be necessary to sign a formal contract, which includes the rights and responsibilities of both parties, service terms, payment terms, etc. Payment. Customers make payments according to the terms of the contract or order to complete the transaction. Some transactions may involve installment payments, and customers can make installment payments according to the terms of the agreement. Invoice. Finally, the company will send an invoice to the customer to confirm receipt of payment. Approval. In some cases, orders, contracts, or payments may need to go through an internal approval process to ensure compliance and accuracy. Products and services. After placing an order or signing a contract, the business will provide products and services to the customer. When a customer expresses interest in a company's product, a sales representative will create an opportunity in the CRM system. For example, a customer may express interest in a product through an online form on the company's website, and this information will be recorded in the CRM system as an opportunity. The sales representative will then create a quote based on this opportunity, including detailed information, pricing, and terms for the product or service. Once the quote is generated, the sales representative will send it to the potential customer. If the potential customer accepts the quote, they may generate an order in the CRM system to confirm their willingness to purchase the product or service. Once the order is confirmed by the customer, it may be necessary to sign a formal contract, which includes the rights and responsibilities of both parties, service terms, payment terms, and so on. In some cases, orders, contracts, or payments may need to go through an internal approval process to ensure compliance and accuracy. Once the order and contract are approved, the customer may need to make installment payments according to the terms of the agreement. Finally, the company will send an invoice to the customer to confirm receipt of payment. Throughout the entire process, the CRM system records and manages information related to opportunities, quotes, orders, contracts, installment payments, invoices, and more, helping the business manage and track sales and transactions. Let's take a look at orders. We use F2-1 to represent the identifier of this feature set, orders. Orders are records of customer transactions, including details such as the products or services purchased, order dates, quantities, pricing, and the status of the orders, pending, fulfilled, or cancelled. These records help businesses track and manage their sales and customer interactions. You can see that orders include the following main features: add order, search order, view order details, edit order, archive order, and order approval. Order approval refers to the process of approving an order. In a business setting, orders may need to go through an internal approval process to ensure compliance and accuracy. This typically involves review and approval of the order by relevant departments or management to ensure its legality and accuracy. Since our product for this phase is an MVP, we won't be covering approval in this lesson. We will provide a detailed explanation of approval in the upcoming courses. Let's now take a look at the sequence of orders, contracts, payments, and the provision of products and services. Most traditional enterprises typically provide products or services after the customer signs the contract. This practice helps ensure that the rights and responsibilities of both parties are clearly defined and reduces potential risks. Some companies may provide product services immediately after a customer places an order and then sign a contract. For example, some software companies may immediately provide online download and installation services after a customer purchases their software license, and then sign a formal license agreement or contract with the customer at a later time. Our CRM system design adopts this approach. In a CRM system, one opportunity typically corresponds to one order. However, one order can correspond to one or multiple contracts. This can be defined differently based on each company's specific situation. We are adopting a one-to-many approach. Next, let's create the data structure. First, select the opportunity sheet. Duplicate it. Change the sheet name to F2-1 Orders. Also, update the title name to Orders. In the Basic Info section, we need an order name to distinguish between different orders. We also need fields for related customer, related opportunity, related contacts, owner, amount, confirmation date, start date, end date, updated time, our signatory, payment method, scheduled payment date, related contracts, and related products. These are all common items in a contract, and you can find them in most CRM systems. Product refers to the products associated with the order. In the opportunity section, we have learned that opportunities can be converted into orders. This opportunity is the related opportunity. In the Status Info section, the required order statuses are pending, in progress, confirmed, shipped, completed, cancelled, and refund in progress. These are similar to the order statuses in an e-commerce system. In the Relevant Module section, we will change orders to opportunities. We also need fields for contracts, products, payments, and attachments. Next, we will create the prototype based on the created data structure. First, duplicate the Opportunities folder and its branches. Rename the folder to Orders. Then modify the names of several pages. Change the title of the Order Management page to Orders. In the Search section, delete Days since last contact. This is not needed in Order Management. We need a drop-down list for order status. Then enter the options we mentioned in the data structure. In the search options, we need to search for related customer, related opportunity, related contacts, product, and owner. Modify the table titles, button text, and tab text. In the table header, we need an order name, an order status, an order amount, and a related opportunity. Remove unnecessary dates. Then go to the New Order page. Change the page title. We need to add a section to the page. Copy and paste the Basic Info title. Change the labels to order name, order status, order amount, confirmation date, start date, end date, and updated time. Use a clock icon instead of a date icon here. Then we also need our signatory and counterparty signatory, payment method, and scheduled payment date. If it's installment payment, the date here should be able to add multiple dates. Here we'll use a single selection drop list to represent full payment. We also need a related opportunity and related contacts. Next, let's create the product info section. Copy and paste the price quote interface and adjust the position of the elements. Copy and paste all elements from the New Order page to the Edit Order page. Then modify the title and input text. Next, go to the Order Details page. Change the title to an order name. In the Main Information section, we need order number, related customer, owner, order status, amount, and payment received. Go back to the Order Management page. Add a payment received and unpaid amount columns. Go back to the order details page. Add an unpaid amount. Then modify the tabs. Change price quote to products. Modify the state names and content of the dynamic panel. Remove orders and add opportunities and payments. Then change Related Contacts in Basic Info to Related Opportunity and add related contacts. We also need a confirmation date, start date, end date, updated date, our signatory, counterparty signatory, and scheduled payment date. Next, modify the linked pages for the order name link and the edit button. Go to the new order page. Delete the button interactions. We will create interactions later. Go to the edit order page. Delete the button interactions. Go to the order details page. Remove the Convert to Order option. Go to the frame page. Select the Orders button. Set it to open the Orders page in an inline frame. Preview the prototype. Click the Orders button to open the Orders Management page. You can select options from the drop-down list. Switch tabs. Click on an order name to enter the order details page. Click the Edit button to enter the edit order page, and click the Archive button to open the archive pop-up. Go back to the previous page, then go to the new order page and click the Submit button to add an order and return to the Order Management page. Here, let's modify the interactions for clicking the Products tab. Preview the prototype. Click the Products tab to display the content of products. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.